From a focused topic to questions. Do not make the common mistake of moving from a focused topic to plowing through all the sources you find on that topic. This reduces your findings to a data dump that will probably raise questions and not provide answers. On the college and graduate level, you are expected to answer a question that leads to a specific answer that you can support. Without such an answer to support, one cannot select from the multitude of data available on a topic. Rather, your search for data lacks any meaningful focus. Thus, the best way to begin working on your focused topic is not to find out everything you can about it, but to formulate questions that direct you to just the information you need to answer them. Start with the standard journalistic questions: who, what, when, where, how, why, but focus on how and why. In order to engage your best critical thinking, systematically ask questions about your topic's history, composition, and organizational structure. Then move on to questions that you can think of or that you can find in your sources. Keep track of your questions, but do not stop to answer them at this point. This inventory of possible questions will help you to direct your activities and enable you to make sense of the information you find. Let's use this example. How should a college student define success? 1. Ask about the history of your topic. 2. Ask about your topic's structure and composition. 3. Ask how your topic is categorized. What other topics touch on this topic? 4. Turn positive questions into negative ones. 5. Ask what if or other speculative questions. And 6. Ask questions suggested by your sources. Now you must evaluate your questions. Look for questions that can help you and your audience think of your topic in a new way. You should avoid questions where, 1, the answers are considered established fact that you or your reader can just look up, or 2, the answers would be only speculative. If you can't imagine finding hard data that could be used to answer your question, you should reframe or drop your question altogether. Or 3, the answers are dead ends. If it is hard to see how an answer would help us think about any larger issues worth understanding better, the question is probably not worth asking. The biggest questions are those that cause you to ask, so what? We will deal with this question in the next tutorial.